The Pioneer DMH1700NEX offers a responsive 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen that makes navigating music, calls, and settings feel smooth and modern compared with older factory units. Its support for smartphone integration, including hands-free calling and audio streaming over Bluetooth, makes daily driving more convenient and safer by keeping your phone in your pocket. The interface is laid out logically with clear icons and customizable options, so it is easy to tailor the home screen and audio settings to your preferences. Sound quality is a noticeable step up from many stock stereos, with clean amplification and detailed tuning controls that help you get the most from your existing speakers. The unit is designed to work well with backup cameras and steering wheel controls, allowing a more integrated feel in many vehicles once properly installed. Overall, build quality and reliability are in line with what you would expect from Pioneer, giving confidence that this head unit will hold up to regular use over the long term.